Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to flatten your wig easily using one of the best hot combs on Amazon that I've tried. Okay, you guys, let's jump right into it. The info to this hot comb and some of the products that I'm going to be using will be in the description and comment section of this video if you guys are interested. So y'all, I've shown you this hot comb before, and this is going to be a Amazon review of this hot comb. I've had it for a very long time, and the last time I showed it to you guys, I showed it to you using it on my natural hair, and today I'm going to be using it to flatten my wig. So this hot comb actually doesn't have the exact temperature. It has the high, medium, and low. So this is how to flatten the top of a wig using a hot comb. I usually put the temperature between medium and high. I don't go all the way up to high because I don't want it to be too hot and damage the wig, but I do usually notice that I do need to go more than between low and medium in order to have enough heat to flatten the top of my wig. This hot comb in particular does have like the grooves of a comb on it. So when I use a hot comb on my wig, I usually do it in sections. I do the hairline in 2 sections, one side and then the other side, and then I also do the sides of the wig on the sides of the parting space, and then I do the back of the wig, which you guys can see here. I definitely try to be careful when using a hot comb on my wig, especially around the hairline, because that is close to my actual hairline. And then when I get to the back of the wig, I just want to make sure I either run the comb through the top of the wig, or I use the back side of the hot comb to apply heat to get rid of any humpiness that may be in the wig. This hot comb I've had for years and it's still working very well. And this is how I usually use it on my wigs, and I really like the results. So you guys, I'm very happy with this product still. I definitely want to recommend it to y'all. So I'll put the info again in the description and comment section of this video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye, you guys.